Guided by safety, driven by excellence. Our team makes the difference. We work to build a culture that brings out our best so we can give our best. Our culture is grounded in our core values, which define who we are as a company and as a team. It's caring about the quality of our work, treating each other how we want to be treated, being accountable to our clients and our team, and creating a solution that helps everybody win. That means investing in our team's personal and professional development, gaining insight into our environmental impact and acting responsibly, building an inclusive team where diversity is a key asset in driving success, listening to all stakeholders so that we can meet everyone's needs. We take pride in bringing our clients' visions to life and measure our success by how we impact the lives of those around us. And it takes all of us working together to keep each other safe, to honor our commitments, and to deliver the quality we're known for. We are Maddox Industrial Group.